Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Joey here again, and today we're going to be doing a skincare video. Now, if you've been following my journey with my skincare routines and stuff, I've been using the same products since August, and to be honest with you guys, I am so in love with these products. But today we're going to be doing a video on exfoliating / scrubbing. I'm going to be showing you what scrub I use from the Butter Bar. I haven't shared this with you guys yet, so I've been sharing different products, which I will be putting below the other videos so that you guys can catch up if you haven't been keeping up with it. So you guys are going to need very simple things, but of course you will need two products from the Butter Bar. You will need their turmeric and honey mask, which if you didn't catch my review on it, I will be putting the review below. We're going to be incorporating this into my scrubbing or / exfoliating routine. The start of this show is pretty much the brown sugar and tea tree and peppermint scrub right here. This scrub is really nice. Now this scrub is going to cater to people who want to even out their skin tone, and also if you're battling with acne. Acne is not one of my concerns, to be honest with you, but I do get occasional breakouts. But I do want to even out my skin tone, and I do have oily skin, so this is really nice and ideal for that. Now what I'm going to try today is the first time that I'm trying this, and this is mostly for brightening, to target brightening. So this is why I'm incorporating the turmeric mask, and I actually watched this on the Butter Bar's Instagram page, which it was one of their estheticians, Donna Shirley, which shout outs to her. She did show a routine where she's using both of these together, accompanied with other ingredients, which I will share with you later on when we do the procedure and stuff. But she did share that, and I thought it was pretty dope, and I was like, I have to try this. I want to see how it works or how it feels on my skin. So we're gonna be doing this together today, so get ready. Now you don't have to necessarily use this one if oiliness or stuff is not your concern, because they do have other scrubs. So if you're more on the drier side, check out their websites. They do have other scrubs that cater to drier skin or sensitive skin. You're gonna need you can either use raw organic honey, or you can use organic agave, which this is what I'm going to be using for my routine. One more thing that you need is lemon. So you need lemon. So you're going to cut this, and we're going to open this up, and we're going to put it into the mix. First thing that you want to do is cleanse your face. I did use my cleanser already, which is from the Butter Bar. You want to do this twice a week. So only twice a week. You don't have to do this every day. Twice a week, guys. Twice a week. The thing you want to do is take a little bit of your mask, and this smells really good, by the way. It has a very rich, earthy smell to it. It smells really good. So it almost smells good enough to eat, honestly. So you're gonna take a little bit, so taking about this much. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put it in my mixing bowl right in here. I'm gonna take a little bit of the turmeric. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, and we're gonna go ahead and just put a little bit in there. About this much. I think this much is fine. I'm gonna put it right in my mixing bowl, right in there. So I'm gonna mash that up. I like to smash it up, break it up a little. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put a little bit of the agave in it. Really nice rich texture in there. We're gonna keep mixing that. Now it's creating more of a sticky. Now it's all in one, like all one. So as you can see, now it's like all sticky, all one. And this is exactly the consistency that you want to get. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze my lemon in there. So we're squeezing some lemon in. This is gonna make it a little bit more liquidy. You want to mix it really well. It's more like a puree, sort of. My brush from the Butter Bar. This is the brush that you use for the mask, and you're just gonna go ahead and apply it on like a mask. And I can still feel that scrub texture, so it's not like super masky. This is just an easy way to evenly distribute your product instead of getting it all on your hands or picking it up with your hands. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and scrub it on. Ooh, all right, yes. So I still feel that grainy feeling, which is nice. Brighten your face, you're trying to get that nice glow, you're trying to take it to the next step. This is going to work magic. Yeah, I'm gonna get a wash rag and start to remove it off on camera, and then I'm gonna, whatever is left, I'm gonna remove it off camera, so because I want to show you. You can see there's a little bit of redness right here again, but that's completely normal. That does go away. My skin does not feel irritated or anything, but it feels really, really soft. But I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse again just to make sure I remove everything. And it actually didn't even stain my skin, and I guess it's because I didn't leave it on as long as I leave a mask. But my skin feels very, very soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go off camera, and I'm gonna finish removing everything so that I can continue with my skincare. So after I remove it, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face, and now we're going to tone, put our serum on, and moisturize, and then we're done with our morning routine. My face feels very, very soft. If you end up purchasing this one right here, which I will be putting my discount code below for you guys that you can use to get a percentage off your purchase, but if you end up using this alone, what you're gonna notice is whenever you wash your face with this, it's going to like really leave your skin very glowing, and it kind of has that after very moisturizing look, which I absolutely love. But this is just a step up if you want to brighten your skin. Like, adding these ingredients and the mask and stuff, it's actually going to up your routine a little bit more. So the next thing that we're gonna do, like I said, you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tone. So the toner that I'm using is the apple, tea tree, and green tea toner. And like I said before in my other videos, this toner right here, it does have an apple cider vinegar smell to it, so just keep that in mind. But it works wonders, like wonders. So this is a very, 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 very important part of your routine, honestly, because this right here is really going to make sure that your skin, this is like the last step of making sure that your skin is completely clean. This is a nice exfoliator, a nice gentle exfoliator for every single day. This one is part of the line for oily skin and acne prone skin. So if you do have oily and acne prone skin, this is the toner for you. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my CBD Melanin Skin Nourishing Serum, which I absolutely love, love, love. If you guys missed my last video, I did speak about this. And this is your treatment for brightening your skin and also nourishing your skin. So if your skin is feeling particularly dry this winter, this is the product for you. And the smell is so, so amazing, like so amazing. If you do not have a serum in your routine, I urge you to go ahead and add one, because that is a major step in your skincare routine. Again, it is a step up, and I know that these skincare routines, sometimes they're very long, but they're so worth it, and you will see the results. Because if you're not consistent, or you're being lazy, or you just don't care much for your skin, you're not going to see any results. Like, trust me. Like, I get a lot of people that have been asking me how I've been clearing up my skin because of the picture that I shared the other day with them, but honestly, it's consistency. So far this is what my skin looks like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna moisturize, and I'm gonna use the Aloe Papaya Moringa moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is actually really good, especially after masking and and scrubbing, no matter what mask you're using, even if you're not using any mask from the line, it's actually really good because say if you get a little bit of redness and stuff, this soothes the redness. It does have aloe vera in it, which really helps with soothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. This moisturizer does not feel heavy either, so if you're oily and scared of moisturizers, which you should be moisturizing even if you're oily, if you're scared of moisturizers, this is a very lightweight moisturizer. So you're not gonna feel, you know, you're not gonna feel oily throughout the day. And then my last step, because I am about to apply some makeup and create this Halloween look, the last step I'm gonna do is gonna be the white willow and chia seed oil control face mist. So I love the smell of this. It does control my oils. It's a good setting spray for after you do your makeup or before, or it's a good setting. It's also a good mist for throughout the day if you are feeling a little dry. Even though you're oily, if you're feeling a little dry, this right here is actually a good refresher. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this. I would tell you carry this in your purse, but you know, we have accidents and you don't want to break it because it is glass bottles, but it's a good thing to have. I think it's perfect for the gym too. So we are done, guys. So shout outs to Donna Shirley for sharing her routine. I think that her routine was actually really nice. I love the way that it felt on my face. I want to try this same routine with other things like my masking, and also you can use this with your cleanser as well. Instead of using the scrub, you can use the turmeric and the honey and the lemon with your cleanser as well. So you can use this in different ways, which I think is pretty cool. So make sure you guys do check out Donna Shirley on her Instagram, and also go on the Butterbar Instagram at My Butterbar Skin, which I will be putting in the description box below. I will also be putting my promo code again in all of the products that was used in this routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. And if you are planning on starting your vegan skincare routine with the Butter Bar, I wish you nothing but the best of luck, of course. I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.